Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Bihani and today we are going to see important part from the geometry section, that is mensuration. Mensuration deals with finding of or calculation of perimeter, area and surface area and volume. Do you know the term perimeter and area is considered of plane figures, that is two-dimensional objects, while volume and surface area is used for 3D, that is three-dimensional objects. Today in this session we are going to see first part, that is of 2D objects, how to find their perimeter and area. Watch the video till the end to know the details about that topic. Okay, so first we will deal with the quadrilateral. You already know quadrilateral means what? It is a four-sided figure, four-sided closed figure, quadrilateral. For any quadrilateral, if you draw such figure, suppose, and if you have one of the diagonal known, suppose its length is d, and from the opposite vertices A and C, if you draw such two perpendiculars, suppose they have lengths h1 and h2 as shown in figure. Suppose it is that AP and CQ, they are perpendicular to the diagonals, so that we have their two heights respectively h1 and h2. Then for any quadrilateral whatsoever its type, its area is given by 1 by 2 into the length of diagonal into, that is multiplied by sum of those two heights. That is for any quadrilateral whatever it's. Now using this general quadrilateral area formula, we can find for the particular quadrilateral's area also. Among that, first we are considering parallelogram. Do you know parallelogram has opposite sides parallel and equal, and if you draw from one of the vertex such altitude or perpendicular, suppose it is having that height h, suppose AM is perpendicular and this base is B, then the area of parallelogram is simply given by B into h, that is base into height. Then next is about square. Square is a kind of parallelogram in which all angles are right angle like in rectangle, but all sides are also equal, and we know for the square the formula or the method to calculate its area is just side square. Side square, if it is known the side, make it square only, that will give area of square. The next is rectangle. Rectangle has all four right angle, opposite sides equal and parallel like in parallelogram. Actually the parallelogram, if its length is L, if its breadth is B, then the area of rectangle is given by length into breadth. Then it is about rhombus. Rhombus has all sides equal. It is a kind of parallelogram, and in rhombus the area is given by 1 by 2 into the product of lengths of diagonals. 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are the lengths of its diagonals. Next is trapezium. It's one of the very particular kind of quadrilateral in which one pair of side is parallel, other is not parallel. Suppose this is ABCD is a trapezium, can you observe, in which AB and CD they are parallel, but AD and BC they are not parallel. Now in this case, how the formula is for the trapezium area, then one of the point A, suppose from that you draw perpendicular and that height will be h. Suppose these two sides have lengths x1 and x2, then the area of trapezium formula is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, that is x1 plus x2 into height, that is the area of trapezium. All these are quadrilaterals. They have same formula for their perimeter, which is sum of all sides. So if you make the addition of all sides, if you take example here, suppose it is any general quadrilateral and its sides have lengths small a, b, c and d, then its perimeter will be a plus b plus c plus d, that is called as perimeter, means sum of all sides. The next figure is triangle. A triangle has three sides, you know. It has various types like equilateral, isosceles, and the scalene triangle or right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, the sum of all sides, suppose here it is ABC, suppose it is triangle ABC, I have written like this, and then you know already that is the sum of all sides means small a plus b plus c, that is called as perimeter. What about the area of triangle? To get area of triangle, it is necessary to know its base and height. Can you see in this diagram? AB is base. Suppose its length is denoted by small c and height is h. Then the area of triangle given by 1 by 2 multiplied by base into height means here 1 by 2 into c into h. Remember, an equilateral triangle has special formula for getting its area, and that formula is area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 into side square. Now we turn toward the circle. Circle, it's a geometrical figure, you know, it is a kind of locus or the set of point such that the distance of all that point from a fixed point is constant. That fixed point is called a center and the fixed distance is known as radius. For example, can you see in diagram here? C is center of circle, R is its radius, and any point P is on circle. Then for this circle, its perimeter is circumference, and that circumference is given by 2 pi into radius, that is 2 pi r, or it is that same as pi into diameter. As you know, diameter is double of radius. What about the area of circle? Area of circle is given by such formula pi r square. So if you know radius, you have to put the value of radius. For example, if radius is 7, then the area of circle will be 22 by 7 into 7 square, because you know value of pi we consider as 22 upon 7. And the circumference 2 pi r is its perimeter. So that was about the two-dimensional objects, how to get their area and perimeter. In next session, we will see 3D figures, that is 3D objects, how to get their surface area and volume. Okay. As we have come to an end, like this video, comment which concept you want to see next, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon.